These are the 4 rock stars that died on April 5. April 5 is one of the most unusual dates in rock history. On this single day, 4 famous rock musicians from different bands in different eras all pass away but in different years, but on the exact same date. But the main focus of the story is all about these 3 frontmen. Kurt Cobain of Nirvana, on April 5, 1994, Kurt Cobain died. The voice of Nirvana. A symbol of the grunge movement, he changed rock music forever. At just 27 years old, his life came to an end, marking the fall of grunge's brightest flame. Though discovered days later, April 5, 1994 was determined to be the date of his death, a moment that shook the entire world. Layne Staley of Alice in Chains. On April 5, 2002, Layne Staley died, the haunting voice behind Alice in Chains. His music connected deeply with fans. He was 34. Like Cobain, his passing wasn't immediately discovered, but later reports confirmed the same date. He died because of speedball overdose. CJ Snare of Firehouse. On April 5, 2024, CJ Snare died, the frontman of Firehouse, a voice that carried melodic rock across the world. From heartfelt ballads to powerful anthems, his sound defined a different side of the 90s. At 64, after battling illness, he passed away due to cardiac arrest. And here's what makes it even more chilling. Back in 1992, these 3 bands crossed paths at the American Music Awards, one of the biggest stage in music. All in the same category, Nirvana was nominated, Alice in Chains was nominated, but Firehouse won.
Firehouse! This is unbelievable, totally unexpected. We would like to thank God. We would like to thank our family and friends, our great record label, Sony, Epic Records, and Tommy Mottola. We would like to thank Michael Kaplan, also from the label, and our manager, Gigi Freddy. We would like to thank all the people at radio, people at television, and also all of our fans who've supported us all the way. Thank you very much. Keep on rocking.
Same stage, same moment in history. No one knew this wouldn't be the last time their names would be connected. Years later, they would share something far more haunting, not by music, but by the exact same date they left the world. But the story doesn't stop at 3. Cozy Powell also died on April 5, 1998, a powerhouse behind the drums from Rainbow to Black Sabbath. Cozy helped shape the sound of rock and metal. He died at 50 in a car accident. A different story, a different path, but the same date. Coincidence or not, their voices may be gone, but their music continues to live on. A legacy that will never fade.